Cool.
Oh, get your towels ready, it's about to go down. Everybody in the place hit the open deck, but stay on your mother toes. We running this, let's go. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the mother boat. I'm on a boat, mother. Oh, take a look at me. Straight floating on a boat on the deep blue sea. Busting 5 knots, wind whipping out my coat. You can't stop me, cause I'm on a boat. Picture trick, I'm on a boat. We drinking Santana champ, cause it's so crisp. I got my swim trunks and my flippin' floppies. I'm flipping burgers, you at Kinko straight flipping cabbage. I'm riding on a dolphin, doing flips and the dolphin splashing, getting everybody away. But this ain't SeaWorld, this is real as it gets. I'm on a boat, mother, don't you ever forget. I'm on a boat and it's going fast, and I got an nautical theme, pass me the Afghan. I'm the king of the world on a boat like Leo. If you own the show, then you show not me, oh. This boat is real. Glenn, I'm on a boat, mother. Oak trees, I climb buoys, mother. I'm on the deck with my boys, mother. The boat engine make noise, mother. Hey, bye, if you could see me now. Arms spread wide on the starboard bow. Gonna fly this boat to the moon somehow. Like Kevin Garnett, anything is possible.
Yeah, I never thought I'd be on a boat. It's a big blue watery road. Yeah, aside and look at me. I never thought I'd see the day when a big boat's coming my way. Believe me when I say I'm a mermaid.
I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the mother fucking boat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Baby ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. I don't know. Don't go filming my PIN number. Woo! Okay. Wait, no,
Who's got some motherfucking salt? Get it! Get it! Get it! Go on, put it harder!
Want to leave me?
Yeah.
And you get toffee on
Oh,
the top.
and my phone. Oh, it's in here.
Have you cut them, or are you guys just breaking them in half? I was just like, that's fucking amazing.
Yeah. I thought I was
Oh,
being really
sexy. Oh, evil. That's really difficult. Help her, help her, help her. Oh, epic! Oh! Oh, yes! Oh, hilarious.
It's for you. Yeah, it's for you, mother.
Ron is going to get such a good iPhone.
Frogger. This is Frogger.
Sorry. Love it. Mission aborted. No.
No, I think we, seriously, I don't think we can get, I don't think we should go. We're not going to get It's really bad for the boat.
No mooring. No mooring.
An icebreaker.
Brilliant.
Yeah, no, it's good. Although I've lost the ability.
I'm going to jump. I'll do a leapfrog in a minute.
Abby, just kick it. You don't want to hit that, Abby.
Yeah. Yes.
And the ice is getting better at the, I don't know.
Happens to me all the time.
Oh, I'm on a boat, take a look
at my motherfucking boat.
Yeah, let's make sure you get a bit of camera time.
Yeah, get in it.